just killing time before the hurricane here. Taking a little bit of video of my neighbor Daniel's loft. Lighting candles because we're going to need them. It's September 12th. It's the beginning of Hurricane Ike, about 11 o'clock at night here. That's a shot of one of Daniel's triptychs there. And I think I'm running low on batteries.
Two bodies of water. The Gulf on one side, the Bay water has come up the entire way. I think maybe there's 1,000 feet between the Gulf and the Bay water now. Here on Seawall Boulevard. I can also tell you, as you're looking at a picture of the incredible display of Mother Nature, that we had squall warning about an hour ago that ripped off the side of the Holiday Inn. I'm talking about an 80, 90-foot section of bricks came tumbling down. And we were out there, and we couldn't even walk forward. I mean, that's how strong the winds were. The winds not quite as strong as they were about half an hour ago, but I have a feeling that what we got was a really...
Okay, we've got a big trash can full of water in here in case the power goes out and the water goes out and we need to flush the toilet or wash, or God forbid, drink that, but we actually have bottles of water, so it's not going to come to that. You can kind of hear the
it picks up and you got these big gusts again, and that's what we're going to see here for the rest of the overnight hours.
And they don't have the advantage of radar.
No.
To look at.
We'll try to verbally describe what we're seeing on the storm system.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Tim.
All right, here we go, folks. Here's some live shots, obviously, of I-10 to Katy Freeway there at TC and Jester. You can see the wind pulling a number on the jam cam here, shaking it, and the camera's doing its best to hold on, but you can see also sheets of rain just pounding the streets there.
So I'm going to take you now to Webster, where Sports Turn News reporter Tim Melton is standing by live with an update for us. Tim?
Gina, just taking a shower right now. The wind, the rain, everything's coming down. Try to give you some sense of the wind here in Webster. By the way, as you might be able to tell by our picture, power is out here. We have been on both sides of 45, and the power has been coming and going, but progressively, more and more of the power has gone out, and for many of the hotels along here, power has gone out. To give you an idea of how strong the wind has been blowing, we pulled up at a hotel. We're trying to find a place where maybe we can put our SpaceLink satellite truck and get it out of the wind as much as possible, and have a place that maybe we can duck into every now and then. And we pulled up in front of one of the hotels. All the lights were off. They had a van parked right in front of the glass sliding doors at the entrance to the hotel to try and block the wind from breaking the glass. And as I opened the door to get out of our expedition, it was very difficult to push that door closed again. That's how strong the gusts were at that point. Went inside, and there were just staff members in there, and they had pulled out blankets and pillows and stuff, and they were sleeping on the floor, had no power at all. But they were having to hunker down there inside the hotel. We have been from Pasadena down here to Bay Area Boulevard during this day, and when we came down here from Pasadena, we started to see those blue flashes on the horizon, and those were the transformers blowing. And we have seen many of those taking place as we have been out here tonight. And we have talked to a couple of the HPD officers who have been patrolling this area, trying to keep looting down to a minimum. We have seen nothing in the areas we have gone along, but they told us, and this is going to apply to very few people, we realize, but they wanted us to pass it along. If you come to an intersection and it's just a red light, don't just think because nobody's out there just to go through it. They asked us to tell you people out there who might be on the street for whatever crazy reason that if you do come to one of those intersections, treat it as a four-way stop. So be safe as you can there. The rain, the wind continues to pick up here. As I said, the power has continually gone out in spurts and now is completely out here in Webster. So we will continue to track this for you.
And you're listening to special continuous coverage of Hurricane Ike on KUHF Houston Public Radio in simulcast with our media partner KTRK ABC 13. Good evening, I'm Sinjun Flynn. In just a moment we will go to NPR for the latest world and national news. With Ike moving across the region as it is right now, you can help us keep listeners up to date by emailing us your neighbor-to-neighbor information. As you see conditions change in your neighborhood, send us the details. The email address is news@kuhf.org. And we'll soon be passing that information along to those listening and relying on KUHF.
Yeah, I hope the power holds out.
Yeah, we lost one.
Yeah.
Oh, walking downstairs. I was sitting out front to check out the storm.
Yeah, it's pretty windy out there. Yeah, I'm taping like before it hits. I'm gonna try to tape later and then sometime tomorrow.
You didn't want to drill all that stuff in the hallway?
Yeah, those are my drawers. Yeah, I got mostly artists up here.
I used to have practice it a little. I like it. Well, heavy metal.
Man, listen to that. It's only going to get worse. Oh, now that's just the door. All right. Yeah. Keep myself entertained here. I got to recharge this thing.